Happy Mask Monday! Okay, number 2 for me participating in Mask Monday. And yes, I do have my cactus headband on. So today I am going to try the pineapple mask gel. I did receive it in a box. I don't remember which box. And I'm also going to unbox some friend mail that I have had sitting here from FoodMakeupskin and Reviews with Sue. So I don't know how this mask works. It's kind of a thick, oh, there looks like there's 3 and you mix them. I was wondering why the packet was so thick. Use 3 to 5 times a week, but now I'm confused. And you know that is so not easy to do with me. But it's a gel mask. So I'm gonna give it a try, and if this is a complete disaster, I will try another mask. I just thought it would be fun. The directions just said apply and layer to your skin, but I guess I'm gonna need a scissors. So be right back. I hope you all had a great New Year's. I know we did. We did our usual. We went to the casino, and it was not a winning New Year's for us, but we did have fun. We were well masked and hand sanitized, and it wasn't too crowded, so we had fun. We had dinner, so it was good. So let me know in the comments below what you guys did. I am now cutting into the mask. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my video and its content, and tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future fun videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I am going to attempt to pour the goop. I don't know if nothing is like coming out. So I don't know if it's dry. Oh, here we go. I don't know if I can show you. It's yellow gel. So, and I'm gonna smell it in a minute to see if it smells like pineapple. Yes, it does. So it's kind of a gel consistency, and it says to leave on for 10 or 15 minutes, not to get near the eye area, which most of you're not supposed to. And of course, dummy me didn't bring like a towel to wipe the goo off. But it's going on really nice. It definitely feels like gel, and it smells really refreshing. So I'm supposed to leave on for 10 or 15 minutes, and I'm gonna open my packages, but now I have to be right back again because I don't want to open anything with my goop. So sorry about this. Okay, goop free. So Laura at FoodMakeupskin, I will leave her link below. Every couple months we do an exchange. I don't get Ipsy and she gets Ipsy. So she'll send me all her goodies, well, a lot of her goodies from Ipsy, and I send her some bath stuff because she loves to take baths. She works so hard during the day, and I am not a bath taker, I am more of a shower taker. So we'll do an exchange, and it's kind of fun, except I got her box, and this is how it came literally. So I just kind of peeked into it. I'm not going to go over everything because she just sent me so many great goodies. She just sent me a ton of stuff. But I'm going to go over some of the Ipsy items that she sent. Again, I don't get Ipsy, I don't get Boxy Charms, so I missed out on some of those products. But I don't know about you guys. I had nowhere to put them. I don't go out, I don't work, so I don't even wear them. I wear them when I make videos or when, you know, we go out. But now with this new COVID strain, you can't even go out anywhere. So she did send me, I think this is the December bag. And it's so pretty. And in there, she put all sorts of nice items in there. She put the primer, and I love primers. Even if I'm not going out, just putting some makeup on, I love primers. And then she put some Mint Mug, a small detox mask, which I will try for next Mask Monday. And then she put, this is Dirty Talk, Laura. And I think, it is, I don't know if it's a lipstick or a blush, but loving the color. And then she also put, she gets the smaller Ipsy, so she put that in there. And she has some goodies in there as well. She's so generous. And cranberry dew, and it's a lip remedy. And then a small, oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. And I think I've seen some people unbox this eyeshadow, and it was really pretty colors. Look at those colors. And I can feel this mask tingling. And then we have Milky Jelly Cleanser. So these are great sizes. And then she sent me these gel nail strips. And I think I was watching Kimmy's unboxing, and she gets them by the boatload. Well, I tried them. And I tried them, I think, for New Year's. And I had them like up to my knuckles. I just couldn't, I was cutting them and they just looked terrible. So if any of you have the video on how to put these on with this, the top part like looking good, let me know so I can like watch the video. But I was doing like a square cut. I just couldn't do it. So after spending like an hour and a half trying to do my nails, I ripped them all off. But they're so pretty, and they have such pretty colors. I think I won them from Kat's channel, and they were really pretty, but I couldn't. So then when I was watching Kimmy's, and she just was getting tons of them, I'm like, how does she do them? And then the next thing I got was this Radial glass primer for a flawless glow. So that's good. And oh, I got it on a Hava hand cream. Love a Hava brand. And ooh, an Elemis eye recovery cream. And as we all say, who doesn't love Elemis? And the Kate Exfoliate Glow, another high-end product. And then there's a few more things in the bag. Can't believe she just want to keep this stuff. And then we got a lip gloss, another eye rescue cream. So that was in this bag. So yeah, this was a great Ipsy. And then I said, she sent me just like a box of stuff and a face and body bar. Oh, and a Nomad. I have to see what the Nomad palette looks like. It's like so dry. It's cold here in Arizona. It's like 50 something degrees, but we have the heaters going, so it's really, really dry. Opening it upside down. Wow. Look at those colors. So one thing I have been doing is occasionally practicing with my eyeshadows, and of course not good enough to put on camera, but I have been practicing. And then she sent me some shampoos and Miracle Patch, and let's see what else we got in here. Burt's Bees moisturizing cream, Pantene Rescue Shots. To treat, for split ends. I am going to get my hair done on Wednesday. I couldn't get in till after New Year's. So going Wednesday, and then a super fresh body scrub by Face Tory. And we all know Korean products are the best. So that was a lot of goodies that I got from Laura. So thank you so much. She's so sweet. She does a lot of, what do you call those videos? TikTok. She does a lot of TikTok. She does a lot of food videos, a lot of shorts. So you have to check her out. She's so sweet and she's so natural. So I'm gonna review at Sue's what she sent me. Sue from YouTube, since before she had 100 subscribers. That's how long I've known her. Now she's got well over 5,000. And if you haven't subscribed to her, you need to. She's got a personality that's out of this world. And of course, she knows my favorite item is cactus. So she sent me this cactus bag, and everything in it is, take a few things out. I put a few things in this bag. She sent me everything cactus. So I have a cactus pen. I have cactus paper. I have cactus cards. There's a few cactus cards and paper in here. I should say more than a few. And there's like this little cactus paper clip. And then she unboxed in one of her 50,000 unboxings that she gets. She had this little wishes box, and I thought it was so cute. So she sent me her little wishes box with paper and a pen. And it encourages your journey and the best version of you. So I thought that was so sweet that she sent that she remembered that I liked it. And she sent me some journals and paper and everything pretty much in here. It's cactus on there. And I don't think I reached out to Janie from, I always mix up her channel name. It's Flares over 60 over Flares, but I think everybody knows Janie. And she sent me cactus earrings for the holidays. So I think everybody knows how much I like cactus. So we got more cactus, and a little cactus pouch. And, oh, more cactus paper clips. So, as I said, I think everybody knows who Sue is. I don't even need to go there. But she's so sweet. And when I first met her, and she didn't have a lot of subscribers, it was like, oh, Sue, you have to retire. You need to do this full time. We need to get together. You need to retire. And she's like, oh, I can't retire. I can't retire. And then with everything that happened, Sue retired. So we just see her all the time on our videos. So no problem with that. So I am gonna go wash my gel mask off, and I will be right back to tell you how I liked it. Okay, so I washed the mask off my face, and of course it tingles now, and I think it came out good. I'm not sure if it's a mask that I would use all the time, but it did brighten. And so I want to thank everybody so much for stopping by and watching, and thank you Sue and Laura for sending me such great friend mail. And everybody have an awesome day, and until the next time I see you, bye-bye.